Okay, question number 12 is given to us and they are asking to solve. I'm going for question number 12 now. In question number 12, it's given in quadrilateral ABCD. They are talking about a quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. So as they are not saying it's a parallelogram or something like that, so I've just made a quadrilateral. Okay. Not, it's not parallel from any side because it is not given, right? And they are saying that it's A B C D. So A B C D, I have written it in this way. Okay. Now they are saying AB equals to 3.2 centimeter. That's the first thing given to me. And BC equals to 5.1 centimeter. This is given to me. 5.1 centimeter. CBD. CBD. So if I'm going to draw this one, this thing is given. CBD is given 34.4 degree. CBD is given 34.4 degree, and the length of the diagonal BD, this length which is I have written over here, that is given to me as 7.5 centimeter. Okay. Now they are saying after that, what's the further thing given to us? They are giving us ABD, this one, ABD. The area of ABD is given 11 point, this is given to us as 11.62 centimeter square. Okay. And they are saying that ABD is obtuse. This one is given to us as obtuse. Value is not given, but they are saying that this value is obtuse. Okay. Okay. So now I have to find in A part, they are saying that we have to find area of triangle BCD. I have to find the area of triangle BCD. So what's the value formula? Formula will be area equals to half into two sides. 5.1 into 7.5 into sine of inclusive angle, sine 34.4. Okay. Now you can use your calculator and you can, and by simplifying, the area of this one is coming 10.8. The area is coming 10.8. Okay. Now in the B part of the question, they are asking that find angle ABD. I have to find this angle, this one. Okay. This I have to find over here. Now what they have given us in this one, they have given us, now as the area is given for this one, area of triangle is given to us. So what I am going to do, I know that area of triangle formula will be equals to half into 7.5 into 3.2 into sine of ABD into sine of ABD. What's the area given? Area is given 11.62. Okay. Area is given to us as 11.62, right? So first of all, what will I do? Shifting 11.62 multiplied by 2 divided by 7.5 into 3.2 equals to sine of ABD. Okay. Now I'm going to use my calculator. The answer is coming, when I'm simplifying it, the answer is coming 0.968 equals to sine ABD. And when I'm going to take the inverse of this thing, the result is coming ABD equals to 75.54. But what's the problem? The problem is that they have told us that it's obtuse. Okay. So this cannot be equals to 75.54. Okay. This cannot be the value of ABD. So how will I find the value of ABD? As they are saying it's obtuse and I have used the sign. So what will I do? In order to find the obtuse value, I will subtract my answer from 180 degree. Okay, and when I am going to subtract it, the answer of ABD is coming 104.45 degree. That is going to be your final answer for this part.